Welcome to the Property Elite podcast. I'll be your host, Jen Lehman, Chartered Surveyor and co-founder of Property Elite. Stay tuned each week for more on industry hot topics, market updates and new RICS guidance. In this week's podcast, we take a look at how to close down an RICS regulated firm. It's essential knowledge for APC and AssocRICS candidates in relation to the mandatory ethics, rules of conduct and professionalism competency, as well as qualified chartered surveyors. So there's many reasons for closing down a firm, including insolvency, retirement, merger or closure as part of a strategic business decision. The firm closure process should be planned and managed diligently. This can help to avoid issues arising, such as non-compliance with the RICS rules of conduct or a future legal or professional negligence claim. So I'm now going to talk you through a list of things that need to be done when a firm closes down. So firstly is to agree the closure date and seek advice if the firm is insolvent. You need to inform staff and deal with any redundancies, ensuring you direct them to government support if necessary. You also need to inform your clients and let them know if another firm could take over ongoing work, and this is of course at the discretion of the client. You need to deal with any outstanding money in client accounts, in line with the RICS professional statement client money handling. You need to notify your professional indemnity insurer to arrange run-off cover on a claims-made basis. You need to make arrangements relating to hard copy and electronic files and keep them for as long as necessary, which could be up to 15 years under the Limitation Act 1980. Any documents not required should be destroyed confidentially. You need to notify former clients to return any leases or other original documents being held for them. You also, of course, need to inform RICS and fill in the firm deregistration form. You need to set up a system whereby anybody trying to contact you after closing is notified that the firm is closed. So, for example, a notice of closure on any physical offices, a telephone message, a closure notice on the firm's website, amended note paper to confirm the firm is not practicing, an emergency contact number, and a mail redirection to a home address. And finally, you need to contact any of the parties who need to be told about the closure, such as other insurance providers, the accountant, solicitor, HMRC, bank, and the Information Commissioner for data protection purposes. Surveyors may also find contacting Lionheart, the Professions Benevolent Fund, helpful for access to a legal helpline and professional counselling. Finally, what is a Phoenix firm? And a Phoenix firm is where an RICS regulated firm closes in a disorderly way and then re-registers quickly as a new trading entity. It typically relates to firms with 1 to 4 partners and happens where a firm becomes insolvent or closes without having sufficient run-off cover in place. As the opening of Phoenix firms poses a significant risk to former clients, employees, creditors, and the public interest, RICS have a range of powers available, including refusing registration for the new firm, holding registration in abeyance pending the outcome of any outstanding disciplinary proceedings, and requiring risk mitigation measures to be implemented to avoid repeat business failure, imposing licence conditions to require the firm to apply risk mitigation controls, requiring staff training in areas of concern, and monitoring on an ongoing basis. There's also the possibility of RICS providing additional support and guidance to the firm. Thanks for listening to the Property Elite podcast this week. Head to our website to check out our full blog, free and paid support resources and services, free consultation for every single RICS APC and AssocRICS candidate, and also ask us any questions you have via the website chat blog. See you next week.